MiuMiu for Kids channel.
Hey, hey, what's that shake? Let's sing with MiuMiu.
No time to wait. I'm a circle, round and neat, rolling fast on little feet. No corners, no straight line. I go spinning all the time.
I'm a square, I'm cool and bold. Four same size, just like gold. Boxy blocks, I stack them high. Build a tower to the sky. Three sharp sides, I'm a triangle. Like a slice of cheesy triangle. Pointy top and steady base. Count my corners, 1, 2, 3, race. 1, 2, 3, race.
Rectangle, I'm tall and wide. Long, long sides I wear with pride. Books and doors, you see me lots. Open up, connect the dots.
Twinkle, twinkle, I'm a star. 5 bright points that shine so far. In the sky, I dance at night. Sparkle, sparkle, full of light. Circle, square, triangle, 2. Rectangle, star, we love you. Shapes are fun, shapes are cool.
Let's learn more in MiuMiu School. Twinkle, twinkle, I'm a star.